Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the three main types of hydronic systems used in HVAC: chilled water systems, condenser water systems, and heating hot water or steam systems. These are the backbone of large commercial and industrial HVAC design, and understanding them will help you see how the equipment you learn about later all fits together. A chilled water system is used to remove heat from the building. It works like this. A chiller cools water to around 42 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit or 6 to 7 degrees Celsius. This chilled water is pumped through the building to air handlers and terminal units, where it absorbs heat from the air. Once warm, the water returns to the chiller to be cooled again. Chilled water systems are the most common central cooling strategy in large buildings. Condenser water system is most commonly a part of water-cooled chiller plant. When a chiller removes heat from chilled water, the heat has to go somewhere, and it's rejected into the condenser water system. The condenser water absorbs the heat in the chiller's condenser, then flows to a cooling tower. The cooling tower releases that heat into the atmosphere, usually through evaporation. After cooling down, the water cycles back to the chiller condenser. In addition to chillers, condenser water loops are also used in systems with water source heat pumps. In these systems, the common condenser water loop provides a heat sink or a heat source for multiple distributed heat pumps throughout the building. Heating hot water and steam systems provide heating to buildings. A boiler produces hot water typically at 140 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, which is circulated to coils in air handlers, fan coils, unit heaters, or radiant panels. In some buildings, especially older or industrial ones, steam is used instead of hot water. Steam can be distributed directly or converted to hot water through heat exchangers. These three hydronic systems, chilled water, condenser water, and hot water or steam, often work together in large buildings. For example, a hospital may have all three: chilled water for cooling, condenser water for heat rejection, and hot water or steam for heating. Mastering these systems is the first step in understanding the equipment that makes them possible. This video is part of the HVAC Fundamentals course on AEC Learn. If you found this helpful and want to become an HVAC engineer, visit aeclearn.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the AEC Learn channel on YouTube.